In this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So generally speaking, when it comes to your Wi-Fi continuing to disconnect no matter what, in the large majority of the times, I would say over 95% of the times, it is because of signal strength. What that basically means is that the signal from the router is not reaching your phone properly. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Play Store, and I want you to install this application called DevCheck Device and System Info. It's completely free to use and it's only like 6 megabytes in size, so it will be very fast to download. Once installed, click on Open, and I want you to also make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi right now. So make sure that that is nice and stable, if possible, of course, since you're watching this video. So from once you've done that, I want you to click on Network, which is right here. And I want you to pay attention to this particular number right here, which is called signal strength. Now, it's measured in dBm. So what that means is that the larger the number is, the basically the weaker the signal is. So ideally, you want to reach a signal strength of around 60 if possible. Obviously the lower is the better, and the lower the likelihood of your Wi-Fi disconnecting. So at the moment, if I just move around the room and get closer to the router, if you just pay attention to this number right here, you'll see that it's at the moment -40. And if I just get closer to the router in my home, you'll see how the number continues to go down. As you can see, I am literally right by the router right now, and the number is -17, and now it's -2. So my signal strength right now is optimal. So you need to figure out how to get your signal strength increased. There are multiple ways you can do that. Either move closer to the router, of course, unless there is an issue with your Wi-Fi and with your Wi-Fi adapter inside your mobile device. In that case, it's nothing to do with the internet. It's likely to do with your phone. So if you get close to the router and your signal strength is still not that great, it's either the phone that's at fault or it's the router itself. So for example, you can test this by checking if your internet stability is okay on your laptop or on a tablet or on another mobile device. And if it isn't, then there's a strong likelihood that it is your router that is at fault and not your phone. If it's the other way around, where only your phone is having these issues, then it likely is your mobile device and not the router itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.